are discussing the topic of optical fiber communication. This optical fiber communication is the most important thing to the application of communication in wire material. In this advanced lessons, we have utilized the application of wireless communication like as mobiles. Nowadays, we are using the application of fiber optics in telecommunication like as broadband technology. So, we discuss about the basics of communication system. In this communication system, we have two different types. One is transmitter and another one is receiver. In this transmitter, it gives the transmit the wave one side to another side, and the receiver have got the waves one side to another side. In this transmitter and receiver, both are a compressed material in our nowadays mobile phone. Maybe the application of mobile phone is the best option of compression of transmitter and receiver. In this transmitter, we have a lot of work. In this work of first, analog to digital interface. In analog material, we have some signals like as sine wave, square wave and rectangular wave. In these waves are converted into digital. So analog to digital interface connector. And nowadays we are using digital transition. In this digital transition, we directly connected to current to convert. Okay, the first step is that material is analog material or digital material. In analog material, it converts into the digital and we move to the voltage to current converter. And current converter will convert the digital knob, and the current is converted into LED light source or laser light source. In this laser lights, one and only the transmittance of optical fiber. The optical fiber is a cable. Okay. In this cable have a 400 micrometer diameter thin material. In 400 micrometer material is single mode fiber material. Like as multi-mode fiber material have a millimeter range of diameter thickness. In this purpose of optical fiber cable, transmit the light source one end to another end. The first end is transmitter. So source of fiber is generated this side, light source is generated to this side, and the light is transmitted to this cable. And the receiver end is at the output material. First of all, what can we do? First, the analog material is converted into digital. So now other than works are implemented. So the material of analog is slightly low, power of low. So we have detected the detecting material. How much of material, how much of waves detecting the light source. And the light source is compressed to pin diode. Pin diode means P type of material and N type of material in between type of intrinsic material. So it's like as a sandwich. So that is called a pin diode light diode. And is later amplified the source. The amplified source is amplified to light, and the light is converted into analog. So this single line light is amplified, and the amplified material is converted to digital to analog converter, and then we get the output material. In this session, this is a picture diagram. Now we discuss about the practical session, same material. In this fiber optic communication, have a practical session in this session. This is the fiber optic cable. In this cable have three different layers. First layer named like as core material, second layer like as cladding material, third layer is a supporting layer. It's called rubber or plastics. Okay, these materials have a very thin diameter size material, like as core material is more than 8 micrometer range. So it's a very thin material. In this material have a lengthy material. So we have shown the diagram of transmitter. So this is the transmitter. So this material have to generate the laser light source, and this is receiver end. The receiver end is analytic receiver end, like as laser light source analytic receiver end. Now we analysis the laser light source characterization. The characterization of laser is monochromaticity and directionality. So in this direction and monochromaticity, we have analyzed this practical session. In this session, the laser light source is generated to power. First of all, we start the laser light source generation. Laser light source is generated. This transmitter light travels to cable and receive the light. This is the distance and this is the diameter of the wall. In this wall, the distance is increases, the laser light source diameter is increases. Distance is decreases, the laser light source diameter is decreases. This is the laser light source. So we can check the parameter. The diameter of laser light source is very smaller than this very small diameter only. This is the verified to the practical system. And this distance is increased, the diameter also increased. Okay. So in this type of communication, we have generated wired communication, one side to another side, easily communicate. Nowadays, we create a high-speed data transportation, like as 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte speed of data transportation. It's possible to this optical fiber communication. In the single mode of material, it can be low powered and easily transported material. Okay. Any clarifications?